gliding through the air, captivating us with their movement, filling the world with song. Birds bring us joy and hope. They're woven into our cultures, our stories, a wonder to be cherished and protected. They're calling to us, and it's up to us to respond. Birds are in trouble. They face urgent threats. And they're disappearing fast. American Bird Conservancy is taking bold action to conserve birds. We believe birds have value beyond their benefits to people. It's our responsibility to make a difference. From the smallest remnant of rainforest in Brazil to the sweeping grasslands of the Great Plains, we're working across the Western Hemisphere, focusing on declining populations and birds at risk of disappearing forever. And we're getting results, supporting bird population comebacks, helping to create hundreds of protected areas, improving millions of acres of habitat. Science guides our work, pointing the way to the species and habitats most in need, and the best ways to achieve lasting results. We're at the forefront of conservation technologies and research, helping people make decisions with birds in mind. Our organization was built on partnerships and embracing diverse perspectives. We work with people across the Americas, welcoming everyone who cares about birds. We accomplish more together. In our drive for bird conservation results, we take bold action, even when it's difficult. The need is great, but so is our courage and dedication to act. Working with partners across the Americas, we've conserved millions of acres and protected habitat for more than 3,000 bird species, 30% of the world's total. And we're scaling up to do even more. We're moving forward with new initiatives and ideas, sustained by thousands of generous supporters, united by a vision of a world where birds thrive and extinctions are a thing of the past. Birds give us joy, hope, and so much more. What are we giving them in return? Everything we can. We're safeguarding birds for generations to come, ours and theirs. Bold action for birds across the Americas. It's what we believe in. It's who we are. And we're just getting started.